Woodworking is an art that blends craftsmanship with innovation, and 2025 promises to take the craft to new heights with a range of cutting-edge tools designed to improve precision, efficiency, and creativity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist looking to expand your toolkit, this video of the 30 coolest woodworking tools for 2025 has something for everyone. From smart saws and precision routers to ergonomic hand tools and power tools, these innovations offer enhanced features like wireless connectivity, laser-guided systems, and advanced materials that will transform your woodworking experience. So, get ready to discover the best tools that will shape your next woodworking project with ease and style. The Laguna BFlux Dust Extractor is a high-quality, single-stage dust collector that combines great looks with solid performance. Its sleek design makes it one of the most stylish machines in its class. A key feature is the patented snap band system, which makes changing the lower bag easy and hassle-free, so you don't have to deal with a steel band. Unlike many 1-horsepower dust collectors, the BFlux feels sturdy and runs quietly, making it ideal for a quieter workshop. The horizontal dust chute is designed for better airflow and can swivel 180 degrees, giving you the option to direct the 4-inch outlet downward for convenience. Plus, the inlet port can be positioned up or down, allowing for versatile setups. Powered by a 1-horsepower motor that runs at 3450 revolutions per minute and operates on 110 volts with a 15 ampere recommended breaker, the BFlux is user-friendly with its motor-mounted direct switch. Overall, it's a great tool, offering a reliable and efficient solution for woodworking shops. The Grizzly G 0999 15-inch 2-horsepower. Benchtop planer is a powerful and flexible tool, perfect for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Thanks to its 2-horsepower motor, it delivers reliable performance for a wide range of woodworking tasks. The motor runs on 120 volts, single-phase power, giving it the strength to handle various types of wood effortlessly. One of the key features of this planer is its 15-inch cutting width, which lets you take on larger projects like tabletops, door frames, and decking. This makes it great for larger boards and production work. It also offers 2 feed rates, 12 and 20 feet per minute, so you can adjust the speed depending on the type of wood and how much material you want to remove. The built-in digital readout provides precise measurements of planing thickness, helping to avoid guesswork and reducing the need for multiple passes. Plus, the motor carriage lock minimizes vibration, ensuring consistent thickness and smooth results. Besides, the depth stop feature adds convenience, with up to 5 preset thickness settings, making it easy to switch between different projects. And the spiral cutter head, with 32 indexable carbide inserts, ensures a tear-out-free finish, leaving surfaces smooth and high quality. With its powerful motor, smart features, and wide cutting capacity, the Grizzly Benchtop planer is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance efficiency and finish quality in their woodworking. The Wolfcraft Bevel and Miter Box is a handy 2-in-1 tool that makes measuring and cutting miters a breeze. It combines the functions of a bevel gauge and a miter box, so you don't need a separate tool for measuring angles when cutting baseboards. You can adjust it to measure angles between 85 and 180 degrees, making it versatile for all kinds of woodworking. The 2 adjustable arms let you easily set the angle you want, and the guide pins help ensure your cuts are accurate and clean, especially when using a back saw. It's perfect for getting smooth baseboard transitions, even in tricky, uneven corners often found in older homes. Built to last with durable materials, it's lightweight, just 0.6 kilograms, easy to handle, and designed for repeated use. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this tool streamlines the process, saving you time and effort while delivering precise professional results. The Gohel 3D multi-angle measuring ruler is a handy tool for woodworkers and craftsmen. Made from strong, lightweight, and rust-proof CNC machined aluminum, it's built to last. Its red design combines 2 woodworking squares, joined by screws, which helps with precise 90-degree cuts and making vertical lines on adjacent surfaces. Thanks to its 3D design, It also makes drawing parallel lines easier, with marked holes at 1 by 16-inch intervals for tasks like making tenon and mortise joints. It even comes with a 0.7mm mechanical pencil and extra lead refills. You can draw angles from 25 to 80 degrees in 5-degree steps. Plus it has extra holes for common angles like 22.5, 30, 45, 60, 67.5, and 75 degrees. The tool also includes a pin that stays securely in a groove so you won't lose it. With laser-etched scales, it ensures clear and precise readings, making it a reliable choice for any woodworking project. Woodpecker's 3D setup blocks are a super handy tool designed to make woodworking adjustments quicker and more accurate. Each block has a common fractional dimension, but is designed in 4 different ways, giving you multiple ways to use it. These blocks are made with precision, with a center cut out, a 0.5-inch wide stepped shoulder, and a raised 5 by 8-inch wide camel's hump on top, which lets you use it as a feeler gauge for quick, precise measurements. Plus, one end has a bevel angle for easy table saw adjustments, taking all the guesswork out of setting the right dimension. The set covers a variety of sizes, like 1 by 8, 3 by 16, 1 by 4-inch, and more. Perfect for a lot of common woodworking tasks. To keep everything neat and accessible, it even comes with a wall-mountable racket. Whether you're fine-tuning cuts or making machine adjustments, these blocks help you get precise, repeatable results every time. i2R CNC machines are built for precision, power, and flexibility, making them perfect for woodworkers to make their imagination into reality. With a strong focus on accuracy and ease of use, these CNC routers allow users to create detailed designs, cut joinery, and produce custom parts with professional-grade results. Constructed with high-quality components, they offer reliable performance across a variety of applications. Upgraded stepper motors and a more powerful 2 horsepower, 1.5 kilowatt air-cooled spindle provide increased power and efficiency. Plus, with dedicated drives on each axis, the machine runs more smoothly and stably. The larger power supply unit and improved cooling fans ensure better longevity and performance. The sturdy aluminum frame minimizes flexing, while the included auto touch-off plate makes setup quick and easy. The UCCI NCPC control system offers user-friendly controls, even for CNC beginners. Whether you're tackling intricate projects or larger production runs, i2R CNC machines deliver the reliability and versatility you need to bring your ideas to life with precision and ease. The Milescraft Euro Hinge Jig is a handy tool that makes installing concealed hinges on both frameless and face frame cabinets much easier. It takes the guesswork out of the process by offering precise settings for different hinge styles and cup placements. The jig has 2 edge alignment knobs to help you position the cup hole correctly from the door's edge, and an edge locator pin ensures the perfect placement from the top and bottom. The built-in drill guide, with a metal bushing, locks in place to create a straight hinge cup hole. Plus, the guide bushings let you pre-drill pilot holes in 4 common hinge locations for consistent alignment and smooth door closure. For extra convenience, the detachable hinge marking guide lets you transfer center lines and hinge locations to the cabinet wall or frame. The kit comes with a hinge marking guide, a 1 by 16-inch pilot bit, and a 3mm Allen wrench, giving you everything you need to get professional results easily. The Kreg Mortisemate Loose Tenon Jig is a clever tool that makes creating precise loose tenon joints easier than ever. Instead of using a router, you can now do it with just a drill. It has an auto-indexing system that adjusts the cutter in 1 by 16-inch increments, ensuring consistent and accurate mortise cuts without the need for complicated setups. This makes it perfect for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers who want quick, professional quality results. You can adjust the mortise width using micro screws to get the perfect fit for tight or loose tenons. The mini work surface helps stabilize the piece for clamping, whether you're setting up permanently or working on the go. The tool includes a carbide-tipped 6mm mortising cutter, with optional 8 and 10mm cutters available separately. Laser-etched markings on the cutter make it easy to set the stop collar for common mortise depths, with room for custom adjustments. Overall, the Mortise Mate combines simplicity with precision, making it a must-have for any woodworking shop. The Milescraft Grabber Pro is a must-have tool for woodworkers, offering great safety, precision, and control. Whether you're using it with a table saw, router table, jointer, or bandsaw, this adjustable push block provides top-notch protection when working with various cutting tools. Its unique design includes 4 interchangeable legs, so you can customize it for different tasks, like cutting thin strips as small as 1 by 8 inch thick. The design ensures the tool stays in contact with the workpiece on both sides of the blade, which helps reduce kickback and improve safety. The ergonomic angled handle offers a comfortable grip, giving you full control while keeping your hands safe from the blade. Plus, the angled support foot provides extra stability for tall or thin cuts. With its non-marring TPE legs, the Grabber Pro grips the workpiece firmly, while the retractable heel prevents tear-out and helps you maintain control. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this tool is essential for safe, precise, and controlled cuts. The Makita XGT Sanders are built for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering a range of features for better performance and comfort. They include a soft start feature to eliminate the jolt when you power them on, ensuring a smoother operation. The electric brake stops the tool quickly and safely, preventing accidents. You can adjust the speed with the variable speed control, making it easy to match the right pace to the material you're working on. And the constant speed control keeps the performance steady even under pressure. For added safety, the anti-restart function prevents the tool from accidentally starting after a battery swap or power outage. Makita's anti-vibration technology helps reduce vibrations, improving comfort during longer use. Also, the AutoStart wireless system is a great bonus, automatically turning on compatible dust extractors when the sander is switched on, keeping your workspace cleaner. The XGT Sanders comes with a 1.6 meter umbilical battery adapter to lighten the tool, and there's also a 5 meter cord option for more flexibility. Plus, they have excellent dust collection to help keep your work area tidy and healthy. Overall, the Makita XGT Sanders are packed with top-notch features, making them efficient, safe, and a pleasure to use. So that's a wrap on the 30 coolest woodworking tools for 2025. Hope you find this helpful. Share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe.